Alright, UlazAI just dropped their new Nano Banana 2 model, and in this video we're going to walk through it live. I haven't tried it. As you can see, I've updated some credits on UlazAI because it's a wonderful tool that you can use. And I saw some very fun things on Twitter regarding Nano Banana 2. I'm just going to head into the Image Studio. It's very seamless. So you just head to the website, the page Nano Banana 2 dash API on ulazai.com. And when you log in, you can just press try Nano Banana 2 for free. And here, yeah, because we have this running gag on the channel regarding the chickens on the farm, I'm just going to do the first prompt is make me a image of chickens on a farm that do no harm. And we wanted to have a Google search because these are the small things that UlazAI really excels in. These things don't have the other options and tools I use don't have these specific options that really go in depth. So here you can really see why you would choose for UlazAI over, for example, a ideogram over a Higgs field. Even though the subscription model is sometimes pretty nice because you can get over usage when you spend credits, but I really like this the extra edge UlazAI has. So I'm just going to process this with Nano Banana 2. I'm just going to be right back when this prompt is done. And yeah, actually it's pretty straightforward. You just get an image of chickens on a farm that literally do no harm. So I'm just going to create the thumbnail for this video. I'm going to use the thumbnail maker. So here is the video title: how to use Nano Banana 2 Pro on UlazAI. It's a walkthrough video. Include text. Yeah, I want text and I want Nano Banana Pro. So here it is. It's going to generate the 4 variants, and it's going to give me 4 unique YouTube thumbnails, and also going to be right back when it's done. Alright, so here are the first 4 YouTube thumbnails, and I'm actually not really amused by this, so I'm just going to turn off the Google search, and I'm going to give it a prompt in here. Make me a YouTube thumbnail for a video called how to use Nano Banana 2 on UlazAI. But that's just a thing. When you use like image generation models, it's always a hit or miss. That isn't really dependent on the platform or whatever you use. You can, for example, have Higgs field give bad output, ideogram give bad output, UlazAI give bad output. It really is at the mercy of the prompter, and maybe it was just a bad prompt from my end. I'm just going to do a new option, and I'm going to wait until this is done, and after that I'm going to call it quits for the video, because showing a new model is pretty straightforward. It's just the seamlessness of this platform what really intrigues me. Yeah, this is a bit better. It's really AI-ish, of course. This is like when I see this, I wouldn't press on it, to be honest. I'm not going to use it, but when the seamlessness of a platform is so easy, you will be able to generate high quality thumbnails in a matter of seconds, because it will just help you iterate on the quality and just keep on creating better and better and better thumbnails. So if you want to use Nano Banana 2 on UlazAI, just head over to their website and use it, and yeah, thank you.